Okay, let's calculate. The question says calculate the angles of quadrilateral ABCD. So we have to calculate the angles. Now, what we do, you see, DCBO is not exactly quadrilateral because these vertices don't touch the circle. And so we try having exactly quadrilateral. We complete joint A to D. Okay. So it is now exactly quadrilateral ABCD. Now, this to DC from the question DC, line DC equals line CB. Okay. Now, also OA, line OA equals line OD. That is radius of a circle. Okay. These are the radii. This is a radius and this is a radius. So both of them are equal. Okay. So the two radii are equal because this is the radius of a circle. Now, what we do is you consider triangle AOD. Okay. It's an isosceles triangle. Therefore, its base angles are equal. What does that mean? OAD plus ODA plus 64 degrees will give us 180 degrees. Some of the angles of a triangle, okay? But OAD equals ODA, okay? So if we just call them, if we call here X, call it X degrees, it means that X degrees plus X degrees plus 64 is 180 degrees. So 2X degrees is 180 minus 64, okay? So 180 minus 64, 180, 116. So 2X, 116. So X will be 116 over 2. That gives us 58 degrees. So angle A, one of the angles of the cyclic quadrilateral is A. A is 58 degrees calculated. Now, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, opposite angles are supplementary, or opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. What it means is that this angle, which is OAB, OAD plus this angle DCB, if you like, is 180 degrees. OAD is 58. We've calculated it, 58 degrees. Plus DCB is 180 degrees. So DCB will be 180 minus 58. 180 minus 58 will be 180 minus 58 equals 122 degrees. So C is 122 degrees. Okay, so we have to calculate B and D. Now, we have here as 58 degrees. 58 degrees. Also, base angles of an isosceles triangle. Now, divide this into 2. This is also a radius, because it's the center of the circle. And so, base angles are equal. But let's know what this angle is, because 64 degrees plus BOD is 180 degrees. Reason, sum of the angles on a straight line. So BOD will be 180 minus 64 degrees. Okay, so 180 minus 64, 116 gives us 116 degrees. Okay, now this is 116 degrees. Now, triangle BOD is isosceles. isosceles. The isosceles triangle. Okay. Now, what it means that the east base angles are equal. This we call here. Let me call here y. Here will be y. Okay. So 116 plus y plus y. Why? Because it is an isosceles triangle, so east base angles are equal. So we give us 180 degrees. So 2y will be 180 minus 116. Okay, that will give us 2y will be 64. So y will be 64 over 2. That gives us 32 degrees. Okay, so here is 32 degrees. Yeah, this angle is 32 degrees. Now, C, we calculated C to be 112. 122 is calculated already. 122, I see. Okay, so triangle, the same Venn triangle DCB is also an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So what that means is that east base angles are equal. If I call here A, this angle is also A. Okay, so I'm having A plus 122 equals 180 degree. Reason, some of the angles of a triangle. So 2A will be 180 minus 122. So that will give us 180, 122 equals 58. So A will be 58 over 2, which is 29 degrees. So you can see B is Y plus A. That gives us 29 plus 32. This will be 61. 29, check, 29 plus 3, 2. 61 degrees. Then D is 58, the whole of this angle. See that? That is, D is the whole of this angle. Okay. So that is D is 58 plus Y plus A. That is 58. Y is 32. A is 29. That gives us 58 plus 32 plus 29. 119 degrees. Therefore, we found B is 61 and D is 119 degrees. Thank you very much.